Okay, so when we're dealing with proportions, it's the same thing as two equivalent ratios. So two equivalent fractions are two equivalent ratios. So if we're given 2, 5, that's 2 to 5. If you're going to graph it, the 2 is the x, the 5 is the y. So remember the x, we need to run before we jump. So we come over from the 0, we come over 2, we come over, then we come up 5. So it always has to go through the 0 to be proportionate. So if it is going to be proportionate, it goes through the 0, it goes through that line, and then it has to follow on this line here. So let's see if we can have something proportionate. So to get from 2 to 5, the next one, we can multiply it by 2 times 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 5 times 2 is 10. So 4, 10 would be our next one. So we would run over 4 and jump up 10. And this is where it should be, 4 to 10. Now if you notice there, it is close, and I actually drew my line off. I was off that point. So it's probably correct. When you have the math to prove it, your math is what you trust more than your picture. So from here to here, you do the same thing as here to here. Now to see if another line, another point is on there, we can go from there to there. This is going to be our times 3. 2 times 3 is going to be 6. You may see it over here. 5 times 3 is going to be 15. So 6 to 15, we run 6, jump 15. That would be where the line is. And this is another way to see if it is skip counting. 2, 4, 6. And for 5s, 5, 10, 15. For us to double check, we're going to go ahead and put the ruler on it now. See if it goes through 0, 0, and each point. And as you can see, it does go through each point. Now we're going to do the same thing with a horizontal line. So here, if we were to have 3 to 5, we know that 3x, y is 5. So we would come over 3 and come up to 5. So this one is going to be right here, 3 to 5. Now in order to see if it's proportional, we can do the same thing. We can do times 2. So everything in this column times 2 to get this. 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10. So we come run 6, jump 10. And then to get the third one, we're going to do times 3. So we go from the original times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 3 is 15. So we run 9, jump 15. So we run 9, jump 15. This one. And now we want to see they're proportional because we know the math has proven it. 3, 6, 9. Skip count. 5, 10, 15. But the graph is also going to prove it because if it goes through the 0, 0 and connects all of the dots, you'll see it's going to make a straight line through there, which is proportionate.